things you need to take care of. Out of those, a simple thing can be just a shower. That's right. Just take a shower before you go to bed. It makes a lot of difference. Shower is not only about cleaning the skin. It's not about just the water flowing over the skin. Not many things happen when you shower. Just remember any time when you were tense or anxious. A simple shower can change your mood. And when you come out of shower, you feel lot at ease and as if a great weight has been lifted. You know it very well that 70% of your body is water. And when you let water run over in